This video demonstrates how to properly install special Arconic ring-locked adapters, including reducers, port plugs, ring-locked check valves, and quick disconnects. Before installation, ensure that the port is properly prepared using the applicable drill, porting tool, tap, broach tool, and corresponding chip removal tool. Port preparation is covered in another video. Select the appropriate O-ring corresponding to the adapter size being installed. Lubricate the O-ring and corresponding O-ring installation tool in the system fluid or lubricant compatible with the system fluid. Place the O-ring installation tool over the port end thread of the adapter and slide the O-ring over the tool and into the O-ring groove. Use a new O-ring and ensure it's not twisted or damaged during installation. Lubricate the port, including the internal threads, using the same fluid or lubricant previously used when installing the O-ring. Insert the port end or smaller end of the adapter into the port and rotate in a clockwise direction until the adapter is seated against the 20-degree sealing surface. Do not rotate in a counterclockwise direction, as this may cause damage to the O-ring. Select the proper size wrench corresponding to the lower end size of the adapter. Using a torque wrench in conjunction with the applicable adapter wrench, engage the tool serrations with the mating external serrations of the lock ring and torque the adapter until the minimum installation torque value is reached. The minimum and maximum torque values for each adapter series is specified on the Arconic sales drawing and applicable SAE specification. Once the minimum torque value is reached, remove the tool and check for alignment between the port serrations and mating external serrations on the adapter lock ring. If the serrations are not properly aligned, continue applying torque in a clockwise direction until the lock ring and port serrations are in alignment. Do not torque the adapter beyond the maximum torque value. Additionally, do not rotate the adapter in a counterclockwise direction, as this may result in damage to the O-ring. Using a small brush or syringe, apply sealant or primer to the counterbore area of the port and below the adapter serrations. Apply enough so that the excess sealant or primer is extruded between the lock ring serrations and the port when driving the lock ring. A list of acceptable sealants and primers is shown on the applicable SAE specification. Select the proper adapter drive tool. While the sealant or primer is still wet, slide the drive tool over the adapter and apply force to the top of the tool using an arbor press or hammer until the face of the tool has bottomed onto the face of the port. Wipe off any residual sealant or primer from the surface of the boss. Installation is now complete.